Hi everyone, welcome to AIFO. Here is an amazing and very exciting platform for my crypto viewers, guys. So you have to join right now. Here is get 50% off your first challenge right here now. So let's go, guys. I have to say that I am not your financial advisor. Do your own research before every investment. I'm not responsible for your any profit or loss, guys. So, guys, you have to take your trading journey start right now with AIFO, and here already thousands of traders who have started their journey, and they have discovered the capital tools and expert guidance that you have to need to grow and thrive. So I will tell you each and everything. You have to stay connected with me till the last of the video, guys. So yes, guys, you have to go why you have to choose this cipher because it's we sports for our traders by providing educational sport flexible challenges and as a free quick payouts here. And why you have to choose, why we you have to choose our platform because it is you can get here find your path that fits you to very best, very flexible challenges here, and it is very simple one step challenges here. And you can also scale up your account, and you can support a trader community you can join here. And you have to also get our IFO Academy where you can get your fundamentals tradings, and mindset coaching is available also. You have to mostly use our trading tools here, and how you can become successful. If your path to becoming a funded traders, you have to just simply sport if this IFO three-step journey, and you have to start right here now, guys. And why you have to because this is the choose your challenges, and this is the risk free simulate trading, and you can get your funded and grow with us. You can take here, and this is you have to just take our choose your challenges, and you can take your first step of working toward your larger accounts with IFO. And this because has a very flexible challenges designed to match your style and support your growth. Here you can get, and you can also grow as a trader. And because we believe trading is about more than passing a challenge, it's about growing into trader. You have to always want it to be. So why? Because as I tell you about here, you can get I for Academy mindset coaching, trading calls, and here's so you have to also guys join our community, like you have to go follow our Twitter official account, and you have to also like and follow our YouTube, TikTok, Insta account where you can get our further announcement news about IFO where you can trade right here now. And guys, you can also learn about here about our program of about academy funding programs, payouts, trading platform, and you can also check out about partnerships here. And here's I have also put all of the links about our platform in the video description where you can get link, and you can get your right you start your journey right now. And this is our partnership program where you can get how you can register your account, guys. You have to just go on our site, click here, and then you have to put some of the information like your username, email address, phone number, password, confirm password, email verification code. And in this easy way you can sign up your account at IFO, and you can join your journey here. Stay connected with us. See you next video. Thanks for watching.